Kadin Arsnam Bakahinyo Trap National Liberation Council HNLC, Bakala Shah Kheiñ kum kaseng Beaiñ ni kata ka band organization haka Ministry of Home Affairs ka Sarkar India. Kani kaseng king Atiar haka arpo Tarik luber arja arpusan kan yo ya kalat ban Ïakhun Pyrshah ya kani ka jingpan bana, bad ya kani la pentip daw ksiang jong kate kaseng uba sadan kibla. Haba kran sikilat pathai kubor haka khat khandai Tarik luber arja arpusan uba sadan kibla ula pentip ba ya kani ka hearing ka khot da ka tribunal bat kumta ka seng kala da bantung yo ba Fernando Shangpliang ban Ïakhun ya kani ka jingpan bana ka ban long ha State Convention Center Shillong.
Ba brief kindia ni press lor ka benta ka ba kipaida gini pentip kusukar ka ni pentip. Ngaswa pentip hangni ba nadu usnam arjara men ba ka sarkar kami lembaga Ministry of Home Affairs daka feedback jong ka state government kila declare deka HNLC kum ka band organization apo ka UAPA mo basket tengah dalam kami iba Fernando Shangpliang te kajing terpawi long ba hak apa Tarik mentabunai kanton ka hearing ka ba khot lagani ka tribunal ya Meghalaya ya seng HNLC bahkan kontes ya kani ka Jingshah bahkan ini ka sin ka banding kom nadu sna marjara hadu menta ba ka HNLC ka long willing ban kontes ya kani ka declaration as a illegal organization ya seng hi boro koi te kata ka digi jing tangan kene nga ba ka benta ka khambun ni don i lawyer ya ka seng ka thum limba ka city of appointment ka ba dated interview ma cha ja afsan ka ba thum da ka seng ya iba Fernando Shangpliang kumu Nongïasaid ban mikmat ya seng haka arpo Tarik hakmat ka tribunal jong ka Union Home Ministry ban contest ya kata ka Jingshah declare ka seng as a kum ka ban organization ala ya Pyrshah ban yakran bat ka government limba nong mikmat jong central government bat bat state government ban yakran ya kata ka Shua bangi baka sengkan proceed syahmat yang ni ka peace process long di bangweng ya ka ba ya kan ni te kamut arsnam tam la ya Pyrshah ya kata ka political dialogue ni political channel kumnu bangweng ya ka ba te nagaliang ka central state government ki oma kimla bangweng ya ka ba te menta apa kapani ba ka Chelsea ka dang kwa hi ba nga kum kusyang ba kwa hi ba ka Chelsea kan wan no sya ka Jingshah bok sarkar te habang ilafir ka political platform to mendapat ke Chelsea dah kata jingmu ban yai keteng ya ka peace process kam bansi ban sim ya ka politik ya ka judicial platform ke dah ka tung ya consular dan lawyer dan paseng ba Nongïasaid hak tribunal ba kumdu ba balai ban isu ban declare ban organization ka sai jadi katakan long yang nadu mencuba nimdon ban komen we had nadu asnang peace process ke Chelsea kalau serius ke peace process na kata bakal political platform teka kwa banyak dari judicial redress ya kini kan bentang kata-kata kemata jong ko bukan disai nama nagalian ka government nagalian ka establishment kata dari state central government kita kin bu kini ka accusation kat kumbani ka kendon ka tribunal teka sai kan jong bentang kan ya sai lo jong bentang nama ba hababun ki bentang ni ba kadon ki jing ko habai ini ka justification yang kita bahkan justification yang kita ki exclusive activities kabubun kita kadon kita diko ba nakalian di bor kulit ni bor sokal gila ban 5% ba ki di syah ki khot sang taka syampa ka haka yin bisa ba ni ka hakala ka tribunal ba lawyer ni ban Ïakhun pa ka dapat haka bentang bade po ka tribunal kawai long ni hapkan nagaliang ka central government home ministry bala nagaliang ka state government kini bencucu baka section si kalong serius ya ka peace process taka syong sa haka rule bakan sim na ka kini ban persen ya Union of India subha chamla gaya ba kini ban persen state government hakmat kini tribunal ba kumno kin sinai ka lat kalunti wa ada kadai mga po tribunal kin sinai ka lat kalunti ba ka HNLC kan wan biar sama sesir kan habis ini kan peace process
Nakaliang uba Fernando ulaong bakumba ka seng kala dep bantung ya u ko Nongïasaid anjong ka unya chekman banyale ya kani ka jingpun bana
din banglayo ingilayo ya kani ka city na seng te nakaliang kejungiru ngakum wi konsel ngala submit ya kani ka intimidation letter hapo office jong USP hani isksil te ban nagju ka poru ngila hagabede bakane ban represent liting yekne matar mo hagabede bakane ga UAP ka ban long kapala ka issue da ka ministry hak khalai trip November adu sa mo ka bangi submit mentakas ni ka khalai tarik March are represent but yakani la depressive hidak naka kalian jong ka office jong USP te khandiat halor bat kani mo halor ngakwa ban Pyrshah khandiat halor bari kani ka notification ka ba dei ban nginya ha ka ba labu ba la Kheiñ ya ka HNLC mo ba yakani ba kadi kata keseng ka ba katkum ka jingbu jong ka Ministry of Home Affairs Union of India kala ong ba kini mo ba ka HNLC ka maintain links with other insurgent groups mo long kini bang ki point ki ba ka ba nakaliang jaba Home Ministry ka bu mo long ka pen ba ka HNLC ka dengti mo bat kini of the northeastern region for carrying out acts of aggression and intimidation shishu rumo kan kadon ko point ru ko ang ne ba indulged in 48 criminal cases including the several case of expression or plan of the explosive in the state of Meghalaya during the period from 16 November 2019 to 30 June 2024 shisuru kaniga nupsyan ko ang ba ka katkum ka 100 November ada khandai to 19 June 2004 ba ladap kem hadu kumba 73 of its kader during the said period buat hai ni period mo kani kawan kani nupsyan te shishu ngaku aban ban hang ne haga bide ba kani ba ya katkum kani ka section 3(1) jong ka UAP 1967 ka Kyrwoh hang ne ba ya ka New Threat National Liberation Council along with all its faction wings and front organization has as an unlawful association. The central government having regards to the unlawful activities mentioned above, that the unlawful activities committed in the past by the New Threat National Liberation Council is of the opinion that circumstances which necessary to declare the New Threat National Liberation Council HNLC along with all its faction wings and front organization as unlawful association in exercise of the power conferred by the provision of section 3 of subsection 3 of section 3 of the said act mut kani ka unlawful activities prevention act hani kala ong ba it may be under section 4 of the said act have been immediate effect from the 16th of November 2024 for a period of 5 years mut kata Jingshah illegal unlawful ya kaseng HNLC te kani gawe kabagawan nakpo kay kanaka Home Ministry Union Government halor kani ka nongrem te kalabo but constitute ru hangne mo ya kani ka unlawful activities prevention tribunal mo kani ka bawan nang ni napo kaya in the matter of the New Threat National Liberation Council HNLC of Meghalaya dated 3/1/2025 present Honorable Master Justice Sumitra Saikia, that is the presiding officer. Shri Subhas Chandra KL, Land Special Prosecutor, represented on behalf of the Union of India. But kumjuru nagaliang jong state government la present deki IPS officer mo. Terengkat bat kiwi ki officer ki jongka ke bade jongka ha po Superintendent of Police Shillong branch jong Meghalaya. Te ka order ka bami ni kat kum kene division kani ka tarik ka ba khalai trip ku November arya sa issued by the Government of India in the Gazette of India Dictionary, state the reason and ground that declared the New Threat National Liberation Council of Meghalaya, hereinafter referred to HNLC, as unlawful association within the meaning of Section 3(1) of the UAP Act 1967. Data kawan katkum kanika UAP Act. Te shisho anong ni ba another Gazette notification mo dated 6 December 2024 was issued in the Gazette of India Dictionary constitute the tribunal for adjudicating whether or not there is a sufficient cause for declaring the aforesaid organization as unlawful association under the Act. mut ini poin mo di bang kan declare but na kalian jong ka HNLC kan ne khon ni kan ne mo kan ne tin mo you are required to appear snap bai ni kan tien mo before the tribunal or may cause an appearance on your behalf before the tribunal on the 15 to 2025 at State Convention Center Shillong Meghalaya either through an authorized representative or an instructed counsel or advocate. Whereafter, irrespective of your appearance, the tribunal shall proceed as per subsection 3 of section 4 of the Act. But ia kena hearing by the tribunal labu akan ke sentri. Ti nagaling juga tribunal, nagaling juga instansi keempat. Represent by kamu counsel, tementa nagaling juga jong ke HNLC kelatung yang aku tahu konsel, but nakalang jonga ngan proceed khidmat ini ke kias haga bede begini wajing Kheiñ Beaiñ ya kasen HNLC te Ïakhun namta kani te kanong ru nakalang jonga ngan gais khidmat aku
haga ni Ministry of Home Affairs notification SO4920E haga ni kadon ka point baar nolor kadau ba nungkong ba ong ba hab declare ke agency ng tagaban organization nomor ba point ba nungkong kan kalong ba ka declare objective jong sang kalong ba secession of areas of the state of Meghalaya largely inhabited by Khasi and Jingshah tribes from India. Tarik point 1 ka ba aralo ka logically jubi kalong continued intimidation and bullying of the civilian population for extortion of fund kata karung kan kita jubi kadang kita ka extortion of fund. Kabalay kalong ba ka agency ka maintaining with other insurgent group in Northeast. Nung kita point kabasaw kong ba kadon benta halo saw ko pratuli ki criminal cases kaba control ki explosion na ki planting of explosive haka po jila Meghalaya nadu sna nadu khandu tarik number ja ka khandai hadu lai po tarik June ja sa nangta but I parts going point on whereas the following has also been noted during the period nadu khandu November ja khandai hadu lai po June ja sa ba new fly nu syakan ba ka sujing sonda jung ki kwarta kada su ko long kita di nongren ka ba pension nongren ga liga try no ba declare ke chelsea as a band organization but extend biang ga declaration
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya